how to remove Vidiq extension. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to delete Vidiq from Chrome on your computer. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out.
First, open your Google Chrome browser. Look up at the top right corner of your screen, just next to your profile picture, and click on the puzzle piece icon. This opens your Extensions tab. When you click it, a list of all your currently installed extensions will drop down. At the very bottom of this drop-down menu, click on Manage Extensions.
You'll now see a settings page displaying every extension on your browser. Scroll through this grid until you find the Vidiq Vision extension. Once you locate it, click on the Remove button right inside its box. A small pop-up window will appear near the top right of your browser, asking you to confirm if you want to remove or cancel. Go ahead and click Remove. Once the uninstallation is complete, you will be automatically redirected to a Vidiq Sorry to See You Go webpage.
To confirm if the extension has been removed, open a new tab and head over to the YouTube homepage. First, check the top right corner of the YouTube page. You'll notice that your Vidiq channel stats are no longer visible there. Next, click on any video to start playing it and look over to the right side of the screen to see if the Vidiq video stats panel appears. If none of those Vidiq elements are visible, then the extension has been successfully removed from your browser.
Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to request a specific tutorial, just drop a comment below. See you next time.